Hey guys, it is Tuesday. I think I'm recording. Yeah. It is Tuesday, August 28th. Turn this air down. There we go. Tuesday, August 28th. I am headed to, 2018. I am headed to house number 4 just for routine HVAC maintenance, just to look it over, normal stuff. Shouldn't have, never have any problems with these guys. Good tenants. They're on their 2nd year lease. Younger folks. The house, you could eat off every portion of the house. It's extremely clean. So they told me that they wouldn't be there today, so I thought it'd be a good day to record something. So just going to do replace the filter, flush out the condensate drain, just look it over, and I'll also show you this house had a busted water main pipe coming into the house. But I'll show you that too, because I haven't put the drywall back. So I'll be there in a few minutes, and we'll get on with business. Alright, I got here and the unit's running. And usually what I'll look for is to make sure it's sweating good, which it is. Real good. Causing a puddle, actually. It's on a slab, not a real big deal there, but... And I'll check the low side to see if it's sweating. See, it's got a real good sweating going on, so I know the unit's running good. Fill the fan. Make sure the head pressure's not too high. Everything looks good out here. So while I'm out here, check out the backyard. Thing looks real good. Alright, on inside. Alright, so this is a real simple one. 25 or 20 by 25 by 1. Just one of them. And they've got it hidden behind a cabinet here. Dang, hard to get out with it rolling. There we go. So, they do have a dog. This isn't bad. Usually look on the other side. Nothing coming through, anything like that. So not terrible. Very clean, folks. Of course, put it in with the airflow going that way. I'm gonna need 2 hands for this. Alright. Alright. That's it for that. Alright, so I'm in the garage. The unit is just on the other side of the wall here. So there's not a huge drain. You can see the drain there. That's where it was dropping out outside. So it leaks into a pan in here and then out there. And what I like to do is just sometimes I'll pour bleach first, just a little, and then water after that. But with this one, since it's so short, I'm just going to flush it. I know it's doing okay, but flush it with a little bit of water, extra water, more than the condensate, just to give it a good flush. If it were longer, I'd worry about it more, but even if it were to stop up, it'd be easy to fix. That's it, really, for that. Put the top back on it. And that doesn't have to be tight. So what happened here, right up there, basically this pipe right here, that is, you can see it goes all the way there, and that is for an outside faucet, which is right there. So this past winter, this froze. It was not a frost-free faucet. It froze all the way up through the wall, all the way down through there, and then it froze the main. The main comes in up there. So it froze everything coming into the house. Now, there is an elbow right there that finally busted. And whenever it did, it started spraying out water everywhere. And you can see some right here, but it pretty much, all this sheetrock right here was soaked. So I need to redo that. And also need to, I think I'm going to cut all this out and go ahead and insulate that entire pipe all the way through. So even though this is frost free now, I think that's just a smart idea. So I've never really done drywall, but since this is in the garage, I think it's going to be not too bad, but I figure do it. And I doubt I'll even put, there's a texture, I doubt I'll put that back. But for this house, that's about it. It's extremely clean. Everything seems to be running okay. Oh yeah, the same night that this busted, the pan down here, all the water ran into it, flipped the float switch, this guy, and cut the whole unit off so they didn't have heat. So it took me a while to figure out what was going on there, but I put a new float switch in. All is well now there. So alright, that's about it for this one. House number 4. I don't have to worry about this one. I need to knock on wood right now after I said that. Where's some wood? Is this wood? Yeah. This one's usually not an issue. So, alright, that's it for this one.